Good morning student, welcome to DSS online class. Today I will give reading video of chapter 11 transportation in animal and plants. Now next topic, blood vessels. There are different type of blood vessels in the body. You know that during inhalation fresh supply of oxygen fill the lungs. Oxygen has to be transported to the rest of body. Also, the blood pick up waste material including carbon dioxide from the cell. This blood has to go back to the heart for transport to the lungs for removal of carbon dioxide. As you have learnt in chapter 10, so two type of blood vessels, arteries and veins, are present in the body. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from heart to the all part of body. Means blood vessels are two types, arteries and veins. Arteries carry oxygenated blood from heart to the all part of body. Since the blood flow is rapid at the high pressure, the artery have thick elastic wall. Let us perform an activity to study the flow of blood through the arteries. Activity 11.1. Place the middle and index finger of your right hand on the inner side of your left wrist. Can you feel some throbbing movement? How do you think there is throbbing? Throbbing is called pulse. It is due to blood flowing in the arteries. Count the number of pulse beats in 1 minute. How many pulse beats could you count? The number of beat per minute is called pulse rate. Resting person usually has pulse rate between 72 and 80 beat per minute. Find other place in your body where you can feel the pulse. Record your own pulse beat per minute and those of your classmates. Insert the value you obtain in table 11.1 and compare them. Veins are vessels which carry carbon dioxide rich blood from all part of body back to the heart. The veins have thin wall. There are valves present in veins which allow blood to flow only toward the heart. Means veins कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिच ब्लड को कैरी करता है, बॉडी आर्गन से हार्ट की तरफ ले जाने का कार्य करता है. या आप ऐसे कर सकते हो, वेन्स कैरी डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड फ्रॉम बॉडी आर्गन टू द हार्ट. सिस्टमेटिक डायग्राम ऑफ सर्कुलेशन इसको समझा रहे हैं. पल्मोनरी आर्टरी कनेक्ट हार्ट टू द लंग्स and this artery means pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated blood from heart to the lungs, and pulmonary vein connect lungs to the heart. It carry oxygenated blood from lungs to the heart. Arteries carry oxygenated blood from heart to the body organ. Veins carry deoxygenated blood from body organ to the heart. Blood donation. Hundreds of people die due to unavailability of blood. Voluntary blood donation is harmless and painless, can save precious life. Blood can donate at hospital and other places authorized by government. Donated blood are stored with special care in blood bank. I am confused. I have learned that an artery always carry oxygen-rich blood. Pahali explained that pulmonary arteries carry blood from heart, so it is called artery and not a vein. It carry carbon dioxide-rich blood to the lungs. Pulmonary veins carry oxygen-rich blood from lungs to the heart. Refer to figure 11.3. Do you see arteries divided into smaller vessels and reaching the tissue. They divided further into extremely thin tube called capillaries. The capillaries join to form veins which empty into the heart. Heart is a organ which beats the continuously to act as pump for transport of blood, which carry other substances with it. Imagine a pump working for years without stopping, absolutely impossible. Yet your heart work like pump non-stop. Let us now learn about heart. Heart is located in the chest cavity with its lower tip slightly tilted toward the left. Hold your finger inward on your palm. That